Hello, Tania from Hearts and Bones again. I'm going to show you another way that you can relax your neck and shoulders. So you just need about a 90 centimeter pole and you're just going to hold on to it on each side in the palms of your hands. And now you're just going to push it across to one side, bending the elbow and flexing the wrist, keeping the stick as horizontal as you can and the same distance away from your body, and then reach forward. So you want to take a nice inhale as you stretch across, so it's going the other way, and then a lovely deep exhale as you reach forward, making sure you're not letting the shoulders come up towards your ears. And we're just going to do one more on each side. So you want to do about 5 or 6 of these on each side when you're doing this at home. Good. And now we're going to go into the vertical. So you're going to swing one arm up and one arm down, bringing the stick in line with your nose. And then you're going to switch. You're going to open out to the horizontal and then come back into the vertical. You're going to exhale as you open to the horizontal. And you're going to inhale as you come up into that vertical. Now you can take the vertical a bit further. So you can bring the arm up and then continue inhaling as you go over into a side bend. And then exhale as you try and bring the arms to the horizontal. So bring the arms to the horizontal, so shift that one up and get a nice shoulder stretch. And then gently unwind yourself, coming back. And then take it onto the other side, so bringing that arm up. And we're getting a lovely rib opening here. We're getting a good shoulder stretch. Both shoulder blades are moving in the same direction. And then we're going to bring you back and open. So great exercises to do before abdominals, before any arm work, just getting all the nerves and the muscles to stretch, release, and realign. Thank you for joining us. Bye.